Yeah, what a beautiful day in Palm Springs here at the Howard Hughes Estate. We had an amazing party last night. All the filmmakers from the film festival came. The director of the film festival came with all his cronies and buddies who run other film festivals. The guy who runs filmfestivals.com did an interview with me. It's already posted on filmfestivals.com. And even the director, the guy who runs the whole movie theater complex, came to the party last night. It was amazing and everybody had fun, especially this crazy guy from Singapore who said, "Oh man, this is like being in Grand Theft Auto, man, like when the guy rapes your wife and then you have to crash his veranda." It's like, huh, what? Anyway, we had a lot of fun and we're really excited. I'm thrilled. The documentary is premiering today. It's the world premiere of our documentary, Celebrity Entrepreneur. And it's at the American Documentary Film Festival. My Hollywood dream is finally coming true. After 28 years, I'm on my way to being an overnight success.
Hi guys.
You look nice.
Can we sit wherever?
Hi! Wow! Hello! Hey! This is a sold-out screening, so we're gonna put them on all the scales.
We're going to have a Q&A afterward with the two protagonists, if you will, Mr. Clint Arthur and Dr. Gloria. And the films are The Celebrity Entrepreneur and The Way to Success.
Yay!
Yeah, I'm Doc Rocks!
Nice voice.
Doing what 75% of Americans say is the last thing they want to do, which is speak in public.
It was tough, but that's what I'm paying for. I mean, I'm paying for tough, meaningful coaching, and that's what I got.
Don't any one of you think that you can't do it. I know better than just about anybody what it's going to take to get a person booked on local and even national television shows.
If you want to get booked on TV, if you want to be a celebrity, nobody can coach you like Clint can.
And I'm trying to teach these people, how do you do that? I'm really excited because for a lot of you, the transformation is going to start right now.
Business expert and best-selling author of Speaking Game.
Clint Arthur is here.
NASDAQ, what an honor to be with you here today.
Author of 21 Performance Secrets of Donald Trump and What They Teach You at Wharton Business School.
Hi everyone. I wanted to ask a quick question to both of you, just to start with Clint and then Angela, same question. You know, both movies are very needed. There's no question that I think we can all agree that these movies were amazing. My question to you guys both are, how do you plan on using this as a platform to inspire more? Like, what do you plan on doing with this in your businesses and ways to inspire people?
I'm taking it kind of a step at a time. I mean, we've been accepted to 5 more film festivals. So that's amazing. Thank you. And thank you to Teddy for helping us to really shape this, because I remember when he sent me the first email and he's like, "Hey, I like your film and I'd like to talk to you about it." You know, and then he was kind enough to give us a lot of guidance in terms of, you know, it was originally 82 minutes and he said, and it needs to be 52 minutes. Yeah. And he gave us notes, and it would not be anywhere close to what it is now. Although it was the same movie, but it was just way too long. But getting into more film festivals is what we're going to do.
Thank you, Miseta.
Yeah, thank you. Our editor was able to just chop it, and take care of it. Great job, Musetta. Yes. But I don't know where it's going to go, and I don't want to pretend that I can predict where it's going to go. Although I'm very excited about the sequel, which is going to be a comedy musical.